हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल टू द चैनल। आज हम बात करें इंटरेस्ट अंडर जीएसटी के बारे में। फ्रेंड्स, देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट ऑफ झारखंड हाई कोर्ट इन द केस ऑफ माध्यम कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी। सो इन दिस जजमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों के बारे में बताया गया है, एंड दैट माइट बी वेरी यूजफुल टू द प्रोफेशनल्स एंड डेफिनेटली फॉर द बिजनेस ओनर्स। So let's discuss. First point which is held in this judgment was department cannot demand interest without issuance of show cause notice. Uh, if we understand in the present scenario, what was happening was that we were receiving notices from the department stating a demand of the interest of such and such amount or such calculations. This might be gross or net, which is now subsequently settled that the interest would be on a net basis and not on gross basis. A proviso has been inserted in section 50 subsection 1 stating that interest is only to be calculated on the cash and on the portion of the tax which is paid through cash ledger. So this provision has been inserted, and in the last GST Council meeting it has been confirmed that this will be a retrospective amendment effective from 1st July 2017. So number one thing, department cannot demand interest without issuing of show cause notice. Number two, no garnish or recovery order can be initiated if the interest is admittedly disputed by the petitioner, right? अगर आप interest amount को dispute कर रहे हैं तो आपके ऊपर गार्निश ऑर्डर या फिर बैंक अकाउंट अटैचमेंट जो हो रही है वो रिकवरी प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट नहीं हो सकती, राइट? अपने आगे बढ़ते हैं फ्रेंड्स। आगे बढ़ने के साथ साथ पहले अपने ये महादेव कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी के फैक्ट्स को बहुत ठीक से समझते हैं, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट वाज, if you remember, there was a notification called 76 by 2018 dated 31st December 2018. In this notification, the government specified that from July 17 till September 18, from July 17 till September 18, if you have not filed your GSTR 3B, please file till 31st March 2019 without late fees. So this notification came on 31st December, giving a window opening from 22nd of December. To summarize, अगर आप जुलाई 17 से लेकर सितंबर 18 की GSTR 3B पेंडिंग है, तो अगर आप 22 दिसंबर 2018 से 31 मार्च 2019 तक फाइल करते हो, तो आपकी लेट फीस को गवर्नमेंट ने वेव कर दिया था. So after this notification in the GST portal, the due date for the same period was showing as March 19. So Mahadev Constructions Company is a partnership firm. When this was going for a filing of returns for the month of February and March 18, it was displaying that due date is March 19, but due date was not shifted, only the late fees was waived off. So friends, आगे बढ़ने के पहले a very important things to ponder upon, that we should be very specific that what are the actual or exact change in the GST law. This was only a waiver of late fees and not extension of due date. Similarly, friends, in this COVID-19, there has been various relaxation with the late fee, interest, penalty for filing GSTR 3B. I have a separate video already in my channel, in the YouTube channel. You can always go and see. And it is relaxation and not extension of the due date in the COVID-19 period also. So coming back to this, in the GSTR 3B, the late fees were only waived off and no due date were extended. Subsequently, friends, please understand, interest is automatic and it can be only demanded by issuance of show cause notice under 73 or 74. But if you read section 73, it uses the word non-payment, it uses the word short payment. So non-payment or short payment, if it is there, then a show cause has to be issued by the government to the taxpayer. But in this case, Mahadeo Constructions have already paid the taxes and not paid the interest, because they were in the contention that they are paying the taxes before the due date. But since the tax has been paid, it is not short paid, it is not non-payment. So how can they issue a show cause notice? So in this judgment, the High Court held Section 73(1), Section 73(5), subsections 73(1), 73(5), 73(6), and 73(7). With this mentioning of the subsections, they have also referred to their judgment only, Godavari Commodities Limited. फ्रेंड्स, इसका समरी बताऊं मैं, तो इसमें ये लिखा हुआ है कि if tax is paid beyond the due date, it will be deemed as non-payment of tax. If tax is paid beyond the due date, it was beyond the due date. इनको लगा कि वो ड्यू डेट के अंदर कर रहे हैं, बट फैक्ट ये था कि बियॉन्ड द ड्यू डेट था. So if tax paid beyond the due date, it is deemed to be non-payment of tax, leading to issuance of show cause notice by the government on the taxpayer under 73 or under 74. So अगर आपकी रिटर्न ड्यू डेट के बाद लगती है, it is valid point to initiate the show cause notice against you, right? Friends, अगर आगे देखें 73 subsection 7 में बहुत क्लियरली बोला हुआ है कि अगर पेटिशनर या टैक्स पेयर अपना टैक्स खुद कैलकुलेट करता है शो कॉज इशू करने के पहले, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. 73(6) में कंफर्म किया गया है कि गवर्नमेंट वोंट बी इशूइंग एनी शो कॉज नोटिस. बट आज के दिन में अगर 73(7) में ये बोला गया है कि अगर गवर्नमेंट को कैलकुलेशन चेक करते हुए ये लगता है कि नहीं आपका कुछ पेमेंट कम हुआ है, देन गवर्नमेंट कैन गो एंड अगेन इशू अ शो कॉज नोटिस डिफरेंशियल अमाउंट पे. लेट्स से 73(5) में आपने बोला कि मेरा 5,000 रुपए लायबिलिटी है. 73(6) के अकॉर्डिंग गवर्नमेंट आपको 5 लाख के लिए कभी भी शो कॉज इशू नहीं करेगा. बट वो आपका कैलकुलेशन चेक करते हुए देखा कि नहीं 6,500 रुपया था, तो वो 1,500 के लिए आपके ऊपर शो कॉज इशू कर सकता है, राइट? इट हैव टू इशू अ शो कॉज. सेकेंड, फ्रेंड्स, in this judgment also they have mentioned a case naming CGST and Central Excise and others versus Daijang Mopat Private Limited and Oars. Stating this judgment, they have it's also a very recent thing. So they have stated that interest is automatic, no denying on this. Interest is automatic, but can be disputed. इंटरेस्ट लगेगा सर, बट डिस्प्यूट हो सकती है. कैसे? दो चीजों में, एक ऑन कैलकुलेशन, नंबर 2 ऑन लेवी ऑफ द इंटरेस्ट ऑल टुगेदर. सो मैं बोलूंगा कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग इंटरेस्ट 1,000 रुपए, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग इंटरेस्ट 300 रुपए, तो ऑन कैलकुलेशन वी आर डिस्प्यूटिंग. नंबर 2, आपने बोला कि इंटरेस्ट लगेगा, पर मैं बोला नहीं मैंने तो ड्यू डेट के अंदर भरा है, इंटरेस्ट लगेगा क्यों? सो एज पर अ टैक्स पेयर और अ पेटिशनर आई कैन ऑलवेज डिस्प्यूट. सो when there's a dispute, it's a mandate to issue a show cause for interest. Because friends, समझिए 79 में they have started the word amount is payable. Amount is payable. अगर मैं self assessment कर रहा हूँ तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have defined what is amount is payable as per me. But if the amount is payable is not determined, it can only be determined after adjudication. So सबसे पहले शो कॉज इशू कराइए 73 या 74 में, एजुडिकेट कराइए पूरे चीज को, अमाउंट डिटरमाइन कराइए, देन ओनली यू कैन गो फॉर द फर्दर स्टेप. सो रिकवरी कैन नॉट बी इनिशिएटेड ऑल्सो. बैंक अकाउंट आपने अटैच करवा दिया, तो दिस कैन नॉट बी डन. रिकवरी ऑल्सो कैन नॉट बी इनिशिएटेड टिल द इंटरेस्ट इज एजुडिकेटेड विच इज एडमिसली डिस्प्यूटेड. सो फ्रेंड्स, बेसिकली इस पूरे जजमेंट का 3 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है. नंबर 1 is without show cause, interest cannot be demanded. Number 2 is despite interest is not automatic, but again going to the methods of identification of the exact determination of the exact interest, that is very very important. And number 3, no garnish or recovery order. आपके बैंक अकाउंट अटैच नहीं हो सकती अगर आप इंटरेस्ट को डिस्प्यूट कर रहे हैं. So till the moment there is no contradictory judgment we can take the benefit of the learning from this judgment, and that is we can always now it's a relief for all the notices coming to a taxpayer that issuing a demand of notice of interest. And friends, also note that these notices were not even having a DIN number. So again, it's a welcome relief. And thank you, friends, for watching this video on the important judgment on interest. And we'll try and bring more useful videos for you. And for this, for the benefit of all of us, I'll request to kindly subscribe the channel so that you get intimated as soon as I upload a video. Thank you.